Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faruk Putra Nanti and my name is 2024311197. Again, explain this code. First of all, would be set the default font Arial as to 20 px and margin around the content. Remove default padding and give the background gray, light gray color. And then container ini. Define the main content area. It limits the width to x equal 100 px. Center is horizontal and margin auto set the background to white at 30 px and enough padding. And then this is my watermark. And then header 1, tell the main heading 1, set the text value dark gray and 2 px solid light gray line and the bottom and 5 px keep below the text before the line. Profile image, target control for the profile picture, take the size to 100 px width and 120 px backgrounds, the corner selected, border radius 5 px, 5 px, 5 px, and then view data list, so the view data list at the list marker to solid 20 px and left. And then hobby container, tell the body section use flexbox, display flex to align image in a row and 15 px, space between them gap and a 10 px gap below the container. Then hobby image, style the body image, set them to 115 15 px by 115 px. Make sure the image of the box without distortion, object with a color, and 1 px light gray border and 5 px inner padding. And then table this what tell the education table, make table 100 width, collapse the border to say the single lines and add a 15 px above different style for table headers and data source 1 px light border, 8 px padding and live text that table header ph to have very light gray background and bold font. And then plus with CSS styling plus the head section and start the visible content of the web page. And then uh, and then create the main container using the CSS style. From line A can display the main view data in H1 size. And this for image, and this is for create and know that this for view data details in line style to use the remove the bullet points, and then this class different view data but uh, different type. And then for hobby and then start label, uh, and this insert a horizontal line and display the subtitle riwayat pendidikan in S2 size, and then start the table for education history, define the table header section and the header now. And close the table, closes the main container, choose the define the table body section. Body includes for rows of education data if for data cells. Uh, Lalu ada code, uh, this, this is the stem, oh, this is the stem, next, border, style the main heading, this one, and this gray line and the bottom, um, from the text 100 with limit to 600 on large screen and has white background, 30 px in a padding and a light gray border, and then it's like shadow, and then uh, style and heading h1 and then dry line at the bottom 10 px scanning below the text and 20 px, and this for style a generic group before element and 50 text below group like name, email, and for style form labels make the block level element takes up line adds a 5 px space below the label and makes the text bold. And then start the text email, password fields, and the drop-down menus as the with almost 108 px inner padding and like gray border and slightly round corners. And the input radio this start in the radio button and a 5 px give to the right button, and this button for start the doctor button set the background to blue, text to white, and padding insert remove the border around corners of pointer when and page space, and then style the field set element adds a border and 20 px padding around the content inside, and then style the legend tile for the field tip makes the text large, bold, and adds horizontal padding around it. And this start the body and open the main container, and this display the main title of the page, and this start from the data will be sent using closing method, and then this this is for from good for the name in text input pre file with a default value and mark is required, and then firmware for the email. It is to email input type prefilled and marked as required. And then there's from group gender. It is to radio button with the same name attribute allowing only one selection. Laki-laki is pre-selected. Jacket inline style are used to keep the radio button label inside the button. And this for from group for religion, it use drop down menu, select with several options, and Islam is pre-selected. And then home group for the password, it use the password input, height input, preview, and required. And then this button, the submit button to send from the form data. Yeah, thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.